In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new Google Meet meeting directly from Gmail. With just a few clicks, you'll be on your way to connecting with colleagues, friends, or family, all from the comfort of your email dashboard. It's quick, it's easy, and we'll go through it step by step, so let's get started. First things first, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. You can do this by typing google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner for the sign in button. If you're not already logged into your Google account, click this button to get started. Enter your Google account credentials. If you have two-factor authentication, make sure you have your phone handy for verification. Signing in ensures you have access to all the features we're about to explore. Once signed in, direct your attention to the Google Apps icon. It's the grid of small squares next to your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click on Gmail. This will take you straight into your email dashboard where you can manage all your emails and communicate with your contacts. Now that you're in Gmail, focus your eyes on the left sidebar. You'll notice several icons there, including one for Google Meet, usually labeled as Meet. Go ahead and click on it. This icon serves as your gateway to starting and joining video calls. With the Meet menu now open, you should see an option labeled New Meeting. Clicking this will present you with various choices, including the ability to start an instant meeting, get a meeting link to share, or schedule in Google Calendar. For this tutorial, we'll proceed by simply clicking on New Meeting. Just like that, you're ready to host your first meeting. Google Meet will provide you with a link. You can copy this link to share with participants via email or any other messaging platform. They'll have the convenience of joining through their own browser without needing any additional software. This tool is a fantastic option for virtual meetings, especially given its seamless integration with other Google services. Whether you're in need of a quick video chat or a larger formal meeting, creating a Google Meet session through Gmail provides an efficient way to connect without breaking your workflow. And that's it, you've now set up a new Google Meet meeting in just a few easy steps. You can incorporate this into your daily routine to make virtual meetings more accessible and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials like this one. Enjoy your new skills and happy meeting.